Hey folks, it's Ben. We're here with another box unboxing. It's an Evercraft lifting equipment. It's a 3-ton set of jack stands. Now you're wondering why 3-ton? Why don't I get a 2-ton or 1-ton? Well, the reality is obviously it's designed to hold 3 tons of product. It's also a lot taller. So if you needed a taller type of jack stand, the higher the tonnage, the taller it gets. So if you're a guy like me who likes to crawl under things, sometimes it's nice to have it really high up. So let's take a look at what's in the box. I can't imagine it's overly crazy. I'll just go ahead and undo our packing tape here. These did come from Napa. It's I don't know if it's a Napa house brand or not, but we have instructions, I guess. So you need product warnings and stuff. There's one. And then our 2 little arms. Here's the other base, and here's the other arm. Oops, and there's that. So I guess as soon as you put them in, like they put the little ratcheting arm on that side, and then you can. And then what you're supposed to do is take a hammer and jam that in. And what that does is it keeps this arm locked into the jack stand, so you can't lift it out or it fall out on its own if we're to lean forward. So we'll do that, sure. And so that's what you get, and the instruction sheet, which I'm sure is just telling you about how not to overload the specifications, and it has both here, 3-ton and 6-ton, and just how to assemble, which we already figured that one out, and just other stuff like that. So if you guys have any questions on these, you'll see them coming up in future videos, not on Red Barn Homestead, but more on the Turbo 231 channel, and also on our Instagram. Alice over the rainbow. That's Alice_over the rainbow. If I remember to put the text in, I will, and you guys can follow it there, and you'll see these in various background drops. These are to match another set I have from Canadian Tire, so that we can completely prop up a car without having to use wooden blocks or anything like that. If you got any questions or comments, please leave them. Subscribe to our channel, Red Barn Homestead, for more exciting unboxing videos and some review videos. We got some vacuum cleaners and stuff we just bought that we're going to go through. So you guys have a good day.